Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I am going to unbox very small but very important, very necessary item product in our life, that is known as it is written here cable organizer. It has also other names here written, that is clip protector, earphone management wire, whatever may be, but it is actually a Velcro cable. It will help you to organize different cables. You know, different accessories are coming with different cables for charging. So these cables are actually tangled with each other. So if you want to organize them, you can see here, in this way you can organize the different cables of different accessories very neatly and cleanly. You can see these are available in different colors also, and black color is the general color. Other colors are here. You can see this figure, home and office assistant. You can see if you look the back of the computer, you can see each and every wires are coming and it looks very bad. It is not neatly organized. Different cables are tangled with each other, and after use it, you can see how it looks really good. So if you want to understand how it works, what is the price of the product and what is the length of the product, and from where you can buy this product, so each and everything I will help you. For that you have to watch the video till end. You can see here it is actually called the Velcro cable organizer tie. Say goodbye to messy wires, tangled wires. You can see here it is written clearly, strong adhesion, portable roll and free cut. According to your choice you can cut, and it will help you to organize different tangled wire. You can see here another figure. Yes, you can see you can organize your data cable like that. If you see the other figure here, this one widely uses for various wires, maybe need at any time. You can see here. So if you organize them, this cable will help you. You can see here earphones cable, you can see here Ethernet cable, and here also you can see fishing rod, data cable and mouse cable. So actually, according to your use, according to your choice, you can use this product in different ways. Now I will show you one video. You can see here how you can use this product. There is a video, I will show you. You can see here how to tie all the wires in a particular place. This earphone, how do you organize this earphone like that? You know, convenient, it is very convenient. You can see here. Now the price of the product, it is written here. You can see actual range 74.95 to 150.65. I have bought this product from AliExpress and I have ordered online, that is 150.65. I have got some discount. I will show you what was the price I have bought. Here it is written here. You can see quantity 1, subtotal 124.13, shipping charges 19.92, some discount is there 2.30, and finally I have got this 141.76. so the length of the wire is 5 meters. So 5 meter cable I have got, that is 141. It is really a good deal, of course. Now I will show you this product, what I have got, how to use it. Now you can see this is the product the company has sent to me. The primary package I have sanitized and thrown away. This is a secondary package the company has sent to me. So now let us have a look what is inside it. You can see here that is actually called the organizer cable. Actually this is a modified form of Velcro strap. You can see here it is a meter long organizer cable, and you can use this organizer cable to organize so many appliances like long wire, containing long wire. Suppose this is a adapter, you can see here this is a long wire. So if you want to organize it by this organizer cable, it will be very easy, and I will show you how to do that. So now for that you have to just take appropriate length of the organizer cable and then just cut it, then it will work as a organizer cable. Now you can see how I am doing that. Now just tie it by your hand. So by this way you can use this cable, you can organize the cable according to your wish. You can see from the computer, back of the computer, if you see so many wires are coming, so if you want to organize that wires also, you can just use this organizer cable. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos.